Yes yun, mga kapuso, kapatid, kapamilya, kawani. Yes yun, gawain bahay muna tayo. Okay, second part of my lecture is how to check the motor winding is having a problem. So just like I said before, the last I post my video, I think 3 videos in relation to repairing electric fans. So how to check and test if the electric fan is having a problem or the motor problem. So one of the motor problem, if you observe the overheating and then it's not a functioning, not moving the blade. So if overheating, or if you smell some smoke, or observe some smoke or smell burn, the possible problem of the electric fan is because of the stack up bushing. So the stack up bushing in between of the stack up shafting in between of the bushing. So if the shafting stack up, it means not play the blade, and then it results to overheating. So if the blade is moving or running, we cannot observe the stack up, or we cannot observe the overheating, or at the maximum we cannot observe the smoke or fire. Why? Because of the blade can produce air. The air of the blade, the moving blade produce air. The air he produce is going to the motor. So it means the air from the electric fans, it can make a backup to minimize the heating of the motor. So but if the electric fan is not moving, there is no backup air at the back of the back guard cover, the motor, it can be result to overheating, smoke, or you can smell a burn, or at the maximum it can create a fire. So many times you can observe that happening even in our working place, at the school, at the time of maintenance of the electric fan. So how to prevent that kind of problem? So we can make it a maintenance. So the usual maintenance of the electric fan is to put oil in between of the shafting and the bushing, and then we have a switch gearbox. So we have a pinion box, we have worm gear, we have mother gear at the lower part, and then we can put the oil. Sometimes we can observe, if we buy electric fan, we can buy electric fan have a hole at the cover. We have a hole at the cover, and then have an open hole directly to the gearbox, and easy to maintenance because you put a oil or drop the oil inside, and then the electric fan or the shafting is moving smoothly. So from now on, we can observe that the electric fan, because of the commercialization, we cannot see the hole o hindi na tayo nakakakita ng butas na pwede kang mag-maintenance doon sa iyong shafting. Ayun, one of the trouble is shafting. So if the electric fan is burned, and then how to make a repair. So if the motor winding is burned, we can find it. The original motor winding has a series of tempus. Tempus means temperature fuse. So because of the much heating, and then reach the maximum heating temperature of the fuse, and then the fuse cannot ignore it, and then it became to blown the fuse, and then the fuse is make a open fuse, so we cannot open the electric fan because of the fuse protection is open. So we can make a troubleshooting or replace the fuse in removing this motor winding. So makikita natin dyan, nakapaloob yan sometimes doon sa, o kadalasan, an original motor winding, nakapaloob siya sa ilalim ng tinatawag na insulator, o yung spaghetti kung tawagin natin. Nandun siya sa ilalim. Dalawang klase yon, yung white na square at yung parang itsurang resistor. Ang tawag doon ay tempus. Pero meron din black na square, tempus din yon. Yung coating resistor, nandun yung sa loob ng spaghetti. Yung naman square or white square, black square, ay nandun naman sa ilalim noong mga insulator na ito. So to make it a replace the fuse, so remove the fuse, or we can cut the fuse and then joint the edge of the cutting part. You can joint it, splice it, and even you cannot replace the fuse. The motor electric fan is make a function, and then it back to the normal conditions. So you can operate your electric fan by diverting the fuse, or sometimes we can call it that a bypass. So bypass, it means hindi na gumagamit ng fuse. Pero most important thing is we have a fuse. So how can we make put fuse or insert a fuse? So we can buy a fuse holder, and then if you buy a fuse holder, you can series it to the motor winding in between to the capacitor, or we can series it to the AC cord in between to the motor. So that is why the simple remedy to make having a backup or support fuse or protect the motor winding. Okay? So before we can make a rewinding by on our own ability by using rewinder counter, but it's easy to make a maintenance or repair. We can buy only a rewind parts. So nakakabili na po niyan. Huwag na kayong mag-rewind. Sa lahat ng motor electric fan shop, nakakabili na po ng rewinder. Katulad po nito ay bagong palit po ito. Kung makikita ninyo po ay bagong-bago yung mga wire niya. Ayan po, bagong-bago yung mga wire niya kasi kapapalit ko lang po. At makikita nyo ay bagong-bago yung rewind. So, ibig sabihin, another electric fan to repair. and then another accomplice inside my house. So that's my lecture 101 part 2 for repairing motor. Okay, ibabalik na natin. Need to return the motor housing cover. Okay, babalik natin ang kanyang pin-on gear. Yan. Ito yung para sa stop and oscillation. Babalik yung back guard. Always look at this na nasa taas or at the top. And then meron ditong dalawang hook. Yan. There are 2 hooks. Yan. And then the knob of back guard. Yan. Yan, knob. If your knob is losing or lost thread, we can adapt Teflon, pampasikip. Ayan, isikipan na natin siya. Can tightly until we reach the very tight. Okay. So always remember that shafting is having a lock, E-lock, or parang letter C. And then the other lock of the shafting in between of the blade is pin lock. Yan. Okay, kakabit na natin ang blade. Ito yung blade natin. Always look the shafting. Meron siyang, if you look at this, meron siyang parang half moon. Yan. You can slot it in the proper direction of the half moon. Yan. And then after that you can the knob of the blade can tighten end to the left because the loosen is to the right. Ayan, very tight. And then we can test it now. It will totally cover the front cover. Okay, the electric fan is working now. 1, 2, 3. Okay, now the last part we need to put is the front guard cover. We always at the top, hanging flat, and then clip on, and then check it again. Okay. Lakas, bagong rewind. Lakas, bagong rewind. Lakas, lalo sa 3, bagong rewind. Okay, guys, this is my part 2 of my lecture 101. How to check the motor winding, how to replace, and how to install again and fix it again. Okay, bye bye. Thank you for watching my video.